Okay, I picked up this visor. I think it looks kind of like a Palm Pilot, sort of PDA operating system. And it had this, it was taped all around. As you can see, this is an absolute disaster. So I'm going to try to clean this up before I even try testing it to see if it works. It's just sticky everywhere. It's an absolute disaster. So I'm going to try to see what I can do to salvage this, at least. Even it was even on the base, so this is going to take a little bit of time. Okay, so the trick to this is to use lighter fluid. Initially I might have tried using Goo Gone, but this stuff just works a lot better. Let's leave some residue. That's fine, I suppose. And you see it just basically comes right off, more or less. More or less as good as new as it's going to get. So okay, so let's see if this still has some juice left. I don't think it has battery at all. There we go. Yep, Palm Pilot. It's nice and bright. It's a lot better looking than the PDA I use at work. I've done this a lot. In my job, we still use Palm Pilots, and 2001. Let's go PM. What is today? Very responsive though. It is Sunday. Is it the 25th? Shoot, okay, that was a good sign. So I'm going to leave this on this. Now I don't have any of the software to go with this, but this is nice and in color. The one I have at work is the rugged one. It's all in a grayscale, so it's hard to see stuff. Now all the software is here. Plus we have a special software for work as well. That's obviously not here. So it's really not a whole lot I know what to do with this. I'd have to plug it into a computer and all that fun stuff, but I just want to see if it works. Now, like I said before, I don't believe it has a battery, so. Oh, okay, so no, it's still alive, so I'll have to, maybe that's just some sort of card slot. So what is here? I guess all the stuff is on the ROM. Oh, graffiti. That's an awful thing. Okay, so what these things can do, you can use this to type, and it does not work at all. It, in fact, makes some things go haywire. So you have to watch touching this. Calculator. Nice and in color. Well, it's just like 3 colors. So if you ever have an issue, if you get something that's covered in awful tape like that, just know to get some lighter fluid. It works wonders. It just cleans it right up. And I still, up here, I still have some tape that I need to clean off, but everything else, I mean, it's no longer sticky, and that's really, I mean, when you, especially using something like this, you don't want your hand sticking to it, so.